Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Spectrum app on your Roku TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the process to download your Spectrum TV app on your Roku TV is pretty much simple. All you need to do is simply go and download the Spectrum TV app on your Roku TV by navigating to the Roku TV Channel Store. So once you go to Roku Channel Store, you need to simply search for your Spectrum TV. Once you find a Spectrum TV, you can simply tap on the select option and then hit the install the channel option. After doing this, you will be successful in installing a Spectrum TV, and you need to simply sign in with your Spectrum account credentials, and you are all good to go with having your Spectrum TV app downloaded on your Roku TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.